Welcome back to Aries Communication. The future of spatial computing is about to take another giant leap forward. This is the Apple Vision Pro M5, Apple's next-generation mixed reality headset designed to redefine how we interact with the digital world. Apple is expected to power the new Vision Pro M5 with the blazing fast M5 chip, featuring a 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. That means even smoother performance, faster multitasking, and ultra-realistic rendering in immersive apps and environments. The Vision Pro M5 will feature dual Micro-OLED displays, delivering over 23 million pixels. That's more than 4K per eye. Expect stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that makes the experience feel lifelike. Connectivity will include the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards, plus a USB-C port for fast charging and data transfer. You'll get around 2.5 hours of use from the external battery, or close to 3 hours for video playback. Audio is another area where Apple always shines. The Vision Pro M5 will come with spatial audio built in, using multiple microphones and speakers to deliver a full 3D sound experience that adapts to your environment. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB and go up to 1 terabyte, giving users plenty of space for high-resolution content and immersive experiences. The Vision Pro M5 won't come cheap. Prices are expected to start around $3,499, but for professionals, creators, and tech enthusiasts, it promises unmatched innovation and power. This is the future of computing: portable, personal, and incredibly immersive. The Apple Vision Pro M5 isn't just a headset, it's the next evolution of how we experience the digital world. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more tech updates and the latest unboxings every week. Wish you a lovely day.